Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what we're calling the best Square Point Hardwood Handle 48-inch shovel. The Square Point Digging Shovel, Model Code AU, part number 40184, from Emedco. Whether you're digging, scooping, or leveling, this shovel is built for performance and endurance. The first thing you'll notice is the balance between strength and handling. With a total length of 60.5 inches, a width of 9.38 inches, and height of 4.13 inches, this tool is generously sized without being cumbersome. At just 3.8 pounds, it strikes a great balance between being sturdy and lightweight enough for regular use. Let's talk about the blade. It's made from alloy steel, a material known for its toughness and wear resistance. The square point design makes it perfect for edging, scraping, and moving materials like gravel or soil. Unlike rounded blades, the square tip gives you more control when you're shaping or cutting through defined edges. It's a must-have when you want clean lines and precision on any landscaping project. The handle is crafted from ash wood, a hardwood that's widely used in tools for its durability and shock-absorbing properties. It's not just strong, it's comfortable too. There's a natural flex to ash wood that reduces strain on your hands and wrists during those long work sessions. And because this shovel isn't foldable, it adds to its structural reliability. There are no weak points or hinges that might fail under pressure. Here's the shovel in action. Notice how the square head makes easy work of lifting and moving packed material. The flat edge slides under gravel and soil smoothly, and when you're dealing with debris, that square point helps you scoop it cleanly into a pile. If you're transferring from hard surfaces like concrete or patio tiles, that flat blade lets you get underneath better than curved alternatives. Whether you're a gardener, landscaper, or contractor, this tool meets the demands of professional work. It's simple, rugged, and built to last. The Emedco Square Point Digging Shovel, Model AU, is a practical choice when you need reliable performance and solid construction without the bells and whistles. So if you're in the market for a dependable square point shovel, this one ticks all the boxes. Solid build, precise performance, long-lasting materials. That's why we're naming this the best Square Point Hardwood Handle 48-inch shovel. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a review. Until next time, keep your tools sharp and your work smarter.